Good day, my people. So today for Africa Bible Tori, I wan tell una how God take create this world, how the creation of this beautiful world take come into existence. So, and I go dey start from the book of Genesis chapter 1 for inside Bible. So in the beginning, God just dey. Everywhere dark like inside pot, nothing dey. God come say, make we start something. The whole place scatter, water full everywhere like say flood wan happen. But God's spirit dey waka, dey check as e go take arrange this mess. God come talk, make light show. From nowhere, light just show, boom. Immediately, God look am say, this light fine sha. So God separate the light from darkness. He give them name. Light, he call am